Polygon Matic will definitely give us exponential gains, where I will be expecting up to a 10x from the current prices that we have at the moment once the bull market is here. And on today's video, I will be discussing my long-term price prediction analysis, give you a narrative structure that I've been tracking here on the charts, and also give you a brief of what I'm expecting on the short term. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade on Matic, you can check out Bybit, which is giving you up to $20 in sign-up bonuses, and you can also earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. You can also check out BINANCE, which is giving you up to $5,000 in sign-up bonuses also. And getting back to the charts to give you my long-term price prediction analysis first, I have this Elliot structure in red, which I have been tracking since 2020, where we saw these significant lows before we saw an aggressive bounce to the upside, taking us to all-time highs in a move that gave us a high above the 2.95, in a move that I'm terming as an Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in that Elliot wave count 1, we started a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And this is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that to the all-time highs, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we fully maximized. And after we lost the fib level 0.78, I had to extend the target area to the fib level 0.88, which is the last line of support on the Fibonacci's, and that perfectly lies above the 0.3794, which is an area that we have continued to hold. And there are high chances that we could now have a low in place in this Elliot wave count 2, and in the next coming weeks we can start our aggressive bounce to the upside in this larger Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the current low that we have in that Elliot wave count 2, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 4.9769. And basing from the current prices that we have at the moment at the 0.4987, if we see that massive bounce to the 4.97, that will be a perfect 10x to the upside. Then from that point, I will expect a retracement in an Elliot wave count 4 before we can continue gearing up even higher in that Elliot wave count 5. And if this chart plays as we can see basing our analysis on the Elliot wave structures, there are high chances that we can be able to catch more than a 15x here on the Matic chart once the bull market is here. And that is what I'm expecting on the long term. And getting to the 1 hour chart to now discuss my short-term price prediction analysis, still basing it on the Elliot wave structures. Here on the 1 hour chart, you can see that I have an Elliot wave structure in blue, which I have been tracking since the 8th of July. And after we saw those significant lows, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, putting in place the high for this Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in this Elliot wave count 1, we started a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And yesterday we saw a rejection at a key area of resistance at the 0.5156, and after we saw we lost that key area of support, we saw a breakdown move back into this red target area over here, fully maximizing the target area and giving us one more new low in what we can now term as the new low for this Elliot wave count 2. And as long as you continue holding within this red target area and break above significant key areas of resistances, there are high chances that we can see another bounce to the upside in what I will be terming as an Elliot wave count 3. So for the next coming hours, we need to see a break above resistance at the 0.5156, flip it back into support, continue gearing up even higher, and see another break above this line of resistance above the 0.5579. And the moment you manage to break above that, there are high chances that you can be able to see an aggressive bounce to the upside in this Elliot wave count 3. And once you have confirmations that you have started that impulsive Elliot wave count 3, I will be able to give you my minimum target areas, which can easily get above the 0.6 mark in the next coming hours. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Matic chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.